Hey y'all, Pretty Girl Slay here, and yes, this is my closet. In the last video, I don't know what happened. My outro started showing first before the transformation. So this is a transformation. I hope you guys like it. I love it. I'm gonna add some pictures to the wall. It's giving me like glam, like glam shoes, pocketbook look. I'm gonna add some cute pictures to the wall and jazz it up a little bit. But yes, I decluttered my closet and here's the transformation. And so I had to bring it back to you guys. But yeah, so we're gonna get into the hair video coming up. So stay tuned for that. But yes, loving the transformation.
Just like magic, just like magic. Little fingers in my thumb and then I snap it. Just like magic, I'm attracted. I get everything I want 'cause I attract it. Looking at my phone, but I'm trying to just.
Hey y'all, Pretty Girl Slay here, and welcome to my channel. For those that are new here, please hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that notification bell. Because today, we're going to be doing a ball, wig cap, install. And you don't want to miss this. So go and, like the channel right now. Okay, now that you guys have did that, we're going to get into it. The hair that I'm going to be installing is by Beyond Your Imagination Sister Wig. And it's a lace, HD lace, transparent, and it's a crimp, and it's 16 inches, and it's tie-dye parade. That's the colors in it. So I'm gonna show you guys how it look on my little foam mannequin head. Be right back. So this is it on the mannequin head. Has the pretty colors in it. Actually, I had got my nails done to kind of match it. You see that? So I was kind of feeling, you know what I'm saying, how the colors was in it. And it kind of was giving me like Christmas vibes a little bit. So this is what it looks like. I don't have the picture of her with the color, but that's how it goes. It's cute. And this is the hair. Super cute. So this is, 16 inches. I wish it was a little longer, but we'll make it work. And yeah, so I'm about to style it. Just wanted to show y'all the color and stuff on the mannequin. Alright, so we're about to start. Okay, so we're about to get started, and what we're about to get started with is some skin protectant. Okay, gotta have that skin protectant only because you don't want your skin to get messed up. The first time I used the glue, I didn't have this and I messed my skin up a little bit. It's kind of coming back now, but you don't want your skin to get messed up. So make sure you get this. This was a good 20, I think it was $30, but hey, it's worth it to protect your forehead, your skin. So, yeah, so make sure you get this spray.
rocking at the fucking realest chicken chip. In a the Louis V best, girl want with his big silicon and real bless. And a no breeze for the head and the penis. Coolest breeze that the rocking a sleeveless. Ease up, ease up. Sloppy drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Cap up on the side, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'm on deep downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I can let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Cap up for the slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else do. That's why I'm still my love for you. Won't please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give it all day long. Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn inside out, make my heart speak. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me to love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. It's tonight, I can show you that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is mine. Middle